What's good? Back at another video. I'm doing aesthetic mods today. Pretty easy stuff. It's a roof spoiler, HIC roof spoiler to be exact. It's gonna go on top of the roof window right here. Just gonna do some prepping and cleaning. There's some instructions here. It's pretty easy. Just clean with some soapy water, alcohol, let it dry, and then just stick it on. Might have Ed help me. He's doing his car stuff right now, just to match it up. But yeah, let's just start cleaning. So as you can see, my car is super dirty, but excuse me for that. But I have some alcohol wipes. Just gonna clean off here, and then I'm gonna take this wrap off, the plastic wrap off, and then just place it on to the roof. I'm actually gonna clean it with soapy water first, then I'll do the alcohol. So here's a roof spoiler. Open it. Got the HIC glass gloss finish. HIC logo. I personally like the gloss black because it's a cleaner look. I know people like the carbon fiber or the other. There's another one too, the matte black, but I like this one personally. There's my thumbnail. So yeah, they're just 3M tape all around. Came with the car, and then I'm gonna place it on. After that, there's like these two little brackets in here. Let me show y'all. Two brackets. Look like this. So you see how it's foamy on this side? That's gonna go on the spoiler. This is gonna, the 3M is gonna go on the glass, and it should be about 10 to 12 inches apart. So like two of these over there. There we have it. So I just literally followed this line right here. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, this line I just did an inch apart on this side and that side, and then that's about it. But yeah, I'll post a link in the description below for this HIC brand if it can focus. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Pretty simple install, pretty dope. And let's cue the cinematics. I also put the carbon fiber pieces back. I ended up selling the manifold cover, the pulley cover, and yeah, I sold those too. Kept this one because it looks naked without a coolant plate. Then I kept this one because nobody wanted to buy this. I should have just sold those all together. But anyways, PWJDM gave me these. I was like, what the heck? Gave me wristbands? But no, this goes over here. I think it's called the slave cylinder. I don't know, but y'all can roast me if you want. But it goes over these things. I guess it's just for aesthetics, but I might as well just put it on. Nice and snuggly.